Hi, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make changes to your menu. Now this will be particularly helpful if your menu prices change and you're wanting to do it as quick as possible. So what you'll need to do is to log into your shopping cart. You should have those details. You'll be able to log in to your shopping cart. Now here we're inside our shopping cart. What you need to do is that you need to go to where it says menu setup down here, and you can see your category. So let's say, for example, all day breakfast, we had a few price changes there. You can actually go here to the big breakfast, and bottom right hand corner you can see the edit button. Just click on edit. You can actually make any changes here, including in pricing, which is here. I'm not going to change the pricing here, and then just push save. And that's as simple as it is. So you log into your shopping cart, go to menu setup, have a look for what category you're looking for, click on it, come down to here, click on the bottom right hand corner, edit, and then make changes. Okay, thank you, bye.